What's up guys? Welcome to another tutorial, and in this tutorial I'll be showing you guys how to add color changing to your Girl Text fan game. So this isn't like Girl Text color changing where it's like 919 or like three different like RGB colors or whatever. It's basically uh it's like you press a button and whatever color the button is, it'll change you to that color. I'll show you though. So start off, go to the Discord, Monk's Hub, scripts and packages, and color changing, and download Monk's colors. Go to your Unity project, go to assets, right click, import package, custom package, and import Monk's colors. So then, sorry about that. Double click on Monk's tutorials, double click on Monk's colors, and drag in UI colors. There's also a physical version, which I'll explain about later if you want to skip ahead. But right now is the UI. So we have this. You have these colors, whatever. So to make this work, go to your Gorilla rig, add component, and add XR interaction manager, and it'll be good. Go to your left hand and right hand controller, add an XR Direct Interactor, and click this and drag it to click on your Seuss rig. So then on both of these, right click, create empty, and name this one Ray, and then right click, rename, and name this one Ray. So then select both of them, add a XR line my bad. Add a XR interactor line visual and an XR uh ray interactor. I'm sorry. XR interactor line visual and XR ray interactor. My bad. And on interaction manager, drag in Seuss rig, and that should be all set up. And then where it says width right here on the line render, change that to 0.05. So then, you should be good now. So if we click play mode, you can also do this on PC. I have a WSD movement in my Discord, so if you want to go there and get it, whatever. So you can look around with the WSD movement. So then I'll rotate my player, and you can select things on PC. My bad, I don't know why it does this. So if I click game, I can click on the color, and as you see, it's not going to work because we haven't fully set it up yet. But you will be able to click these. So let's go to play mode, go to assets, resources, Photon VR, and player, and make sure you have you do need a rig for this tutorial. So go to player and go right here and click edit script on your Photon VR player. And at the top, you should see near like the top public list mesh render. Click in between those and type in capital S skinned. Oh my bad. No. Skinned mesh render. And then over here for each mesh render, skinned again, spelled just like that, capital S. And then yeah. So then what I do is I click the X and save. And yeah. So then, wait for that. Click this plus, and on your rig, like on your cube or whatever, you should have a skinned mesh render. Yeah. So click that and drag in your body. I have my head, and then that should be all good. So now if we go out, it might automatically turn us red. Yes, it does. Alright, it automatically turns us red. So then, if I just rotate my player, move the hands down so I can see, and go over here, I can change my color, and I can do that. Yes, sir. And if you have like a fur texture or something, then what you can do is all you have to do is go to your materials. I have a like rock material. So now, since it's using a skin mesh render, and should automatically change the color of it to that. Where's my player? Oh, yep. So, it'll change the color of it. So I can actually just do it with this. So, go over here, and let's say I want to do red. It'll change to red. This into that, and yeah. So then, if you want to add more colors to your UI color thing, just click this arrow, make sure you right click, prefab, and unpack. Right here, you can just duplicate a color and drag it over. So then, so where it says image, you can click this, and this will change like the visual color. So let's just say I put it to the corner, it'll be that nice color, or that nice orange. And then color UI is another script. Go down here, click that, and you can just drag that right there, and you have another color. It should automatically work. Yeah, so then now we're gonna go to the physical button part. So like I said, it's not like Gorilla Tags, because that's just, I don't really see a point in having that many different colors, but you can always add more colors. So let's go do Monk's Tutorials, Monk's Colors, and Scripts, and you should see color change. Click, just add a cube, whatever, and just drag on color change to that, and make sure on your hands you have a sphere collider with edge trigger and radius 0.06, and hand tag. Just, yeah. So then I can just change this. I'll just make this a red, and to make sure you have a material, I have a red material. So now if I click play, and I get my right hand, and I can touch it, and it'll change colors. It'll just change to whatever you have set onto it. Here, I'll put my hand out. So you can do all sorts of different colors with it. It's honestly really cool though. But, and yeah. That's how you add color changing to your Gorilla Tag thing. I got a couple requests on this. Yeah, if you have any questions or just need help, join the Discord. I also added a ideas section, so you can post ideas, so you don't have to comment them. And yeah, I hope you guys have a nice day, and see ya.